everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're gonna cover 2.2 section of Excel guide, that is organizing a numerical variable. So basically in this we're gonna learn how to create a frequency distribution, relative frequency, cumulative percentage for the data provided to us. Okay, so example we're gonna make all these like frequency distribution, cumulative percentage and all that for the cost of center city restaurants, like meal cost of center city restaurants. All right, so in the description box, link for the particular workbook is provided. So just open the distribution workbook. In that, go to unstacked worksheet. So unstacked worksheet आपको इस तरीके से दिखेगी Excel में. So in this, meal cost for center city restaurant and metro area restaurants are given to you. Also the bins and midpoint are there. So let's just create a frequency distribution, relative frequency or cumulative percentage for the center city restaurants. All right. So first of all, just create a new worksheet. Like I have already created one. उसमें row 1 में you have to mention the title, and in cell A3 you have to write bins and B3 में frequency, in C column like C3 में percentage, and in D3 cell you have to write cumulative percentage. So in column A, bins वाले के अंदर go back to unstacked worksheet and copy the bins number into your new worksheet under the bins column. Now select the cell range from B4 to B13, and you have to type the frequency array function formula here, like that is equal to frequency bracket unstacked. We are writing unstacked here just because the data जिसका हमें frequency चाहिए, that is there on the unstacked worksheet. So basically, and we are writing unstacked here just to mention the location of our data. So unstacked apostrophe, then $A $1 colon $A $51 comma. Now we have to mention the bins array. So that is here in this worksheet only, like the new worksheet we have copied it now. So the bins array is from $A $4 to $A $13. So just click on enter after writing the formula. As you can see, frequency आ जाएगी हमारी meal cost की. So the formula to calculate percentages is equal to B4 slash sum and in bracket. So guys, this is the formula for percentage. After writing it, just click on enter. So now copy the formula till C13. As you can see, we got the values, but these are in the form of decimal. Now to convert these decimal values into percentage form, just select the values, then right click and go to format cells. Under format cells number category, go to percentage and click on OK. As you can see, वो जो decimal में थी वो percentage में हमारी convert हो गई. Okay guys, to calculate cumulative percentage, so in cell D4 write is equal to C4. You got 0.00%. Now in cell D5 write is equal to C5 plus D4. Okay, now enter. So now you got 8%. If you copy down the formula till D13, you can see सब add होके आ गया हमारे पास, like cumulative percentage हमारे पास आ गया, and at last the sum is 100%. Alright guys, that's all about it. One more thing is there. If you want to find the relative frequency, so in place of percentage just write relative frequency heading and select the cell range under the relative frequency column, then go to format cells, and हमने पहले percentage में change किया था ना, अब just change it into the number form, then click on OK. As you can see, 0.00, 0.08, 0.06, the values that we got are of relative frequency of our data. All right, so that's all about it. So talking about the conclusion in this video, like 2.2 section of Excel guide, we learn how to find the frequency, relative frequency and cumulative percentage of the data provided to us. So let's see you in another video. Bye.